So this is the caustic soda. You have to add it slowly or else they turn into clumps and they start to crystallize and become chunks that are difficult to... it just takes longer, basically. And this caustic soda is something you can buy at the paint shop or at a woodworking shop. Then it starts heating up the water. It can go up to 70 degrees maybe. Alright, so I keep adding. Okay, so now I'm adding the lye water to the oil. As I add it, it starts clouding a bit. And then after we're gonna use a staff mixer. What's that called?
A mixer.
Yeah, a mixer. One of these guys. So I'll keep mixing for around 3 minutes maybe. And after that it should be trace. So now you can see it's starting to get thicker. So getting a little bit towards custard. And once you got trace, you can put it on heat. So as I start heating it, I also keep mixing it with the mixer. Alright, so now it has risen. And it means it has reached a certain temperature and a certain stage in the process. So now you just stir it and then you see it drops down. I lower the temperature a little bit and now I just keep stirring it. It starts becoming thicker. You can see it becomes like some kind of potato mash. You can do a zap test. So that means you take a bit of the soap, you're gonna put it on your tongue, and you're gonna feel if you feel like a zap. It's like this kind of electricity sensation. There's no zap, so that means the soap is ready. So in this moment, you have to be a little bit quick. Here's where you add your essential oils. In this case, citronella oil, and we're just gonna mix it in. And as it cools down, it also hardens. So you want to make sure that you mix it in quite fast, and then you make sure that you have your mold ready. And then it's just about pouring it in. And try to do it in big chunks and do it relatively fast, or else it hardens before it really gets stuck together. Now I'm gonna push it in a little bit, get every bit in there. After you've done that, you just take the thing, get a flat surface and just hit it so that everything goes down into the corners. You can really see the traces of the process in the shape of the soap. It looks a little bit rough, it looks very handmade, which is what it is. I will just leave it, in my case outside, cooler temperature, cools down faster, and then we can start cutting in maybe 15 minutes to half an hour. Alright.
Wow.
So